Come on, baby. Welcome back to Blazing Sky, y'all. We're taking a night ride. Got Melo on the Talaria MX-5. Sky on the Triple X. Looks like she's trying to do some wheelies over here. In eco mode. You have a hyper mode? We have a hyper mode.
Yeah, but I'm a robot, so I have hyper mode.
Beep boop. Whoa! We lost Mama. Oh, let's follow Mama. Ouch! I don't have my goggles on, so something just hit me like right underneath my eye. Uh-oh! Go get him! Go get him! Oh yeah! State troopers just hanging out. Oh, look at this house, look. Oh look, King of the Hill. Oh, this is nice. South Park. Telephone booth. You want to do a burnout? Ah.
McDonald's chocolate milk?
Huh?
You want to get a McDonald's chocolate milk? Not from this.
You want to go home? Okay. You want to go play game, huh? Oh, okay. Hi. Wheelie time?
I see Wheelie.
She said, let me try the wheelie too. Oh? You want me to do a wheelie?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to count to 3. 1, 2, 3.
Another one.
Another one.
Another one. Because I'm a crazy dog.
You're a crazy what? Oh. Yeah. I saw that.
Good job.
Oh, still want to do more wheelies?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. You like wheelies now? 1, 2, 3. That one was fun.
Yeah, we almost wheeled into the sky.
Yep.
That's what it felt like.
That's what it felt like?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
Great job, Mama.
Great job, Mama. Ready? 1, 2, 3. You like that one, huh? You wanna jump it?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Stand up. Woo! That was a good jump. She liked that one. Yeah, you're a real pro at this.